Hello guys, welcome to Healthy Bites. And yes, I upload new recipes every Wednesday and Sunday. So be with me. So today I will share with you easy salad recipes. One is the basic bowl. Fruits I used here are, first one is papaya. It has lots of vitamin A, vitamin C, loaded with fiber and good for our kidney, heart health and also diabetes. Next up we have apples. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. It's not a saying like that guys. It has lots of fiber, so it suits digestion. It boosts our brain power, protects our bones. Next up we have pineapple. Pineapple is a tropical fruit which is rich in vitamins, enzymes and antioxidants. It boosts our immune system, builds strong bones, aids in digestion, and despite its sweetness, it's low in calories. Though most of the fruits are very high in calories, the three used in here are low in calories. They aid our weight loss process, they soothe our digestion process, and build our immune system, which is very crucial in the pandemic times. Next up, I have taken the pineapple juice which was left while cutting the pineapple. I squeezed in half a lemon, some salt, added some salt and black pepper into it. Next up, I will add some honey. Honey is the only element which resembles very much like the human blood, and it has lots of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants to boost our immunity. So herein goes 1 tablespoon of honey. Next up we will add in apple cider vinegar to this. I have diluted this vinegar and it is almost about to finish guys. So as it is diluted, I will add in 1 tablespoon of this into our honey mixture. Apple cider vinegar also aids in digestion. It helps our body to alkalize as it has only 5% acidic nature in it. It is very good for weight loss too. And adding it to your salads is an easy way to add it to our diets. Now we will just drizzle this mixture onto our mixed fruits bowl. You can enjoy this as your midday meal or as your evening snack. I try to eat as much fruits as possible in my daily schedule to load my system with lots of fiber. So I just decorated this with some mint leaves and it's ready to be served. Next up is the custard bowl. This one is my childhood favorite. So in almost half a cup of milk I added in custard powder, 1 tablespoon. The custard powder I have used has 0% trans fat and 0% saturated fat in it. So this one becomes my all-time favorite. I will just mix this custard powder well in the milk so that it does not form any lumps and will not stick to the bottom of the pan. Next up is sugar. I used total of around 4 tablespoons of sugar. For this recipe I used the white sugar or it will have changed the color of the milk. We will just stir this mixture with a spatula so that the sugar does not residues in the bottom of the pan, and we will just boil this mixture on a low flame for about 10 to 15 minutes until this becomes very much to a custard like consistency. I mean a thick consistency. So this is the consistency I was talking about. To this I will switch off the flame, turn off the heat and allow it to rest. till it comes to room temperature. So this is the consistency, guys. It will form ripples and will have a ripple consistency. It won't be too solid or too liquidy, as you can see the consistency in here. Next up is we will pop this mixture into the fridge for 10 minutes and allow it to rest over there. After taking out from the fridge, it looks like this. It's of perfect consistency for our custard. I will just remove the malai on top of this custard mixture and dissolve it into the mixture itself. So I will show you the consistency. It's of this consistency that it will form the drops and will not be too liquidy. Next up, we will just drizzle this onto our fruits mixture. I prepared a large bowl for this for my whole family. This brings out my childhood memories, as my Nani used to prepare it for her every kitty party. Now I will pop this mixture back into the fridge for 1 to 2 hours and enjoy this chilled, guys. This one is my personal favorite. So the third and the last one is everyone's favorite, and yes, we can use the dahi or homemade curd for this, or you can also use flavored yogurt available in the market. For this, I have used the homemade dahi and used 1.5 tablespoon of khand or jaggery powder. The desi khand I use and the jaggery itself contains way more amount of vitamins, minerals than the white sugar. So you should also switch to jaggery. Just mix this mixture very well with the dahi and make sure there are no knots in this. It's very simple, soothing recipe for this climate change where we desire lots of ice cream, but we should not eat ice cream. Instead, we should indulge in some healthy sweets like this fruit salad bowl. This one is also my favorite, as my Nani used to prepare it for the afternoon snack whenever we used to visit her. So this holds a very special space in my heart and also brings out every childhood memory we have. So shout out to my Nani, who is an amazing chef till date, and she prepares very delicious recipes every time we visit her or she visits us. So thanks guys for watching my videos. If you like it, do hit the subscribe button and also like this video. You can also give shout out to your nannies in the comments down below, and do watch my other videos which are below, and see you guys on Wednesday. Bye bye.